So today, guys, we're going to take a look at this tool that I bought recently from Amazon, and it's the Lisle 18810. It's a valve core torque tool. Here you see the cost of that tool on Amazon. Here we're on Lisle's website for some more information. This is supposed to torque your valve cores on your tires to 4 inch-pounds. Here we see a valve core that this will torque to, and we will give this a try. So for this to work properly, you must hold it by the black area, because what will happen is this is like a torque wrench. Once you get it to the 4 inch-pounds, it will slip, and thus that will be your limit. That's how you know when you've reached the proper specification. Okay, so I've loosened that valve core, and I will get it. Okay, so right now it's seated. And we're going to continue to turn on that black part of the handle. And there, it just slipped. Now we're going to continue to turn. Can you hear that click? So now that's reset the tool, and it has set the valve core to 4 inch-pounds, and we'll do that again. It just seated, just slipped, and there it is.